What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Swintnation. As you see, I'm not on a bike today. I'm in the lab number 2, and today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you haven't heard, it's the new hottest DJI drone out right now, and today we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So without further ado, as you see, we have the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and then this is the Fly More combo. So let me get my handy dandy knife and we'll get this baby open. Actually, hold on. I don't even think I need it. We don't need the knife, y'all. I'm so used to being aggressive. So I'm gonna just pull the tab. We're gonna get this baby unwrapped. So I don't know if y'all heard about all the controversy about these drones, man, but they're making them real hard. They don't even sell the Mini 5 Pro in the States. So you have to order these through third-party sites because you can't get them strictly to DJI website anymore because they don't sell them on there. They're not listed for sale in the US. But I found some trusty sources online that led me to the right location to purchase this guy through eBay, and yeah, as you see. So let's see what comes in the box. So with the Fly More combo set, dang. So with the Fly More set, let me go sideways with this. You get everything in the bag, and then the box is empty. So right off the rip, this is a really nice bag. As you can see, it's really, it's got some, oh, this is actually kind of tactile. Got some little feedback, but real nice, feels sturdy. Water, it looks like waterproof zippers around this thing, so you don't have to worry about it getting water inside your bag. But nice bag so far. So let's open her up, see what we get in the bag. Boom, right off the back. I do like this pocket right here. There's a zip pocket right there. This is the drone. We'll set that aside. Battery pack. So you got your batteries. A black box. We'll open that up here in a second. And then last but not least, you get your controller. So that's everything you get in the bag, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like inside the back compartment. So this is what it looks like inside the bag. A nice spot to store all your gear. We'll set this off to the side. First, let's unbox this real quick since it's in the way. So this is what they call the RC controller. I went with this, the Fly More kit, primarily because I've had the drones where you have to take your cell phone and you would open up these two little pieces and you would have to set your phone up top. It just gets cumbersome, but I like everything built all into one. Plus this screen gets really bright in the daylight, so I really like that. And I mean, it just makes everything simple. It's all in one. It's a one-stop shop, but not much different than the DJI Mini 3 Pro controller I had. Got your thumb switches right here that you can take out, and then these screw in the ear, just like so. And then literally you just power this thing on, and you ready to rock. So that's all it takes. You hit the power button. And I heard with the new DJI Mini 5 Pro that this thing powers on the minute you open the wings. But we gonna see. We gonna see what it do. All right, let's get this baby out of the package. See what the drone looking like. That's what I want to see. So there it is, y'all. I really like the new cover that they put on this versus the old gimbal covers. Check that out. That is smooth. So take this off. You just peel up from the bottom, and then you got these right here, and she comes right out. Yeah, that I feel a lot better with this protector. And you do have to pull off the gimbal foam or protector foam inside. And here it is, that 1-inch sensor. This is what brought me back to the drone game. That 1-inch sensor, y'all. You cannot go wrong. Look at that thing. So if you don't know what the 1-inch sensor is, right now I'm filming with the DJI Osmos Pocket 3, and that has a 1-inch sensor, and it is phenomenal for low light, just for getting your picture quality looking crispy and sharp. And for when you want to zoom in, it gives you some great zoom in ability. And that's what I noticed with the DJI Osmos Pocket 3 with that 1-inch sensor. Is just that's my main shooting camera right now, and I got cameras that cost way more. So let's open her up. Now I know there's a way to open this, but let me see here. So you want to go bong, and you want to go bong, you want to go bong. Oh, y'all, it's already, y'all saw that flash? So it's already got a battery inside here, but I'm assuming I might have to go through the process. But right off the rip, this is a very tiny drone. Like, I don't know, let me show y'all my hand. Very tiny, it's smaller than my hand. I like that. And y'all know I'm gonna use this a lot for when I'm riding, making motorcycle videos. Like, that was the main reason why I wanted to get a drone, just so I can get some aerial footage of some of these crazy places I go to. But yeah, this thing is super nice. I'm gonna power that off. I think I powered it on by accident. All right, set that right there. Let's look at the battery pack, see what the batteries are looking like. So one reason why I went with the Fly More Plus combo kit is these little guys, man, they give you 52 minutes of flight time. 52 minutes. That's a lot. That is a lot. Like, you should be able to shoot pretty much all your content if you out, getting some B-roll with just one of these batteries. But if you're worried, I mean, you got 3 hours of content you can record easily. Now, I'm not sure how close it is as far as how accurate that is, but 3 hours? 3 hours. Crazy. All right, what else we get in the box? So we get some more propellers. This is install propeller B as shown. So you get extra propellers in case and they have A and B. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So you got the B pillar and you got the A pillar. And it shows you where they go in the orientation of how to put it on the drone. Like that. I love the visual orientation. Charging cable. Thank God. Some more pillars. I don't know how much they plan on us crashing these, but yeah, I'd rather have these and not need them. Those are more B pillars. What is this? What is this? Oh, here's another great reason to buy the Fly More combo kit is because you get ND filters. And if you want to do any kind of beautiful cinematography, you're going to want these ND filters. My last drone, I had to buy these separate because it didn't come with them. And I really like this case. And a lot of times I shot with the ND32 filter when it's super bright out, and I had phenomenal shots. And then let's see how easy it is to install one of these. Or am I going the wrong way? Oh, I was going the wrong way. Boom. So that's what it looks like with the ND filter on. Very easy to go on. I could have swore the last ones I had were magnetic, which are a little bit easier, but this isn't bad at all. Let's see how hard it is to take off. Really simple to take off and real easy to put the ND filter back on. And I like how it shows ND32, so you don't got to guess what filter you got. That is nice. So take that out, set it back in the case. Does it click in the case? Oh yeah, it does. So it'll click right in the case. That is nice. And let's see what else is in here. Oh man. Is that a sticker? Looks like a sticker, y'all. I want to say it's a sticker. Yep. That's actually pretty sick. And then you got your instructions, which nobody reads these. We just log into the app and follow all the app instructions. But yeah, y'all, that was just a quick unboxing of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. I will be doing my first flight video and then letting y'all know my initial thoughts and impressions really of the image quality. And I got to get this thing set up and get it hooked up to the Wi-Fi and get whatever firmware updates on here. So I'm gonna do that, man, and then the next video, man, prepare to see this thing in the air, which will be real soon. And I want to show y'all how I incorporate this in moto vlogging, because this thing is invaluable. Look at it. And then we'll get more into a little bit more of the details and specs. All right, y'all. Peace.